In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a neutral safety switch on a Subaru Forester. It is located underneath the vehicle on the right side of the transmission. Note, before you do any of this work, chalk your wheels and apply your e-brake. We're on the right side of the transmission now. This is your neutral safety switch. You need to remove your shifter cable first, which is held on by one clip here and two 14mm nuts. Remove your cable, set it off to the side. After you remove your shifter cable, now you need to unplug your neutral safety switch. You can do that by pushing this tab in and pulling up on the harness. Your neutral safety switch is held on by three 8mm bolts. You need to remove those. One is behind this lever, which you're going to have to move. That is going to shift your transmission into neutral or drive. That's why we had you chalk the wheels and apply your e-brake. After you removed your three bolts, you want to pull straight out. Just a quick note, on the back side of this bracket, there's this pin here. That pin slides in between this piece of your neutral safety switch. Once you have your neutral safety switch mounted in, install your bolts. and just hand tighten those 3 bolts. After you tighten those 3 bolts, you want to plug your neutral safety switch back in. Make sure it's secure. Now onto your shifter cable. Install your 2 14mm bolts. Make sure those 2 are snug. Now you install your washer and your clip. Once you install your neutral safety switch, you always want to check to make sure your shifter moves and your park, reverse, neutral, drive lights up on the dash. Install your key, turn it on, foot on the brake, shift smoothly, and also here. Perfect.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.